Oh my word. This is dripping. Oh yes. Hello friends, I've got something really special for you. I'm going to teach you how to make smoked barbecue beef ribs. This Wagyu cut of beef ribs looks absolutely incredible and it's going to be a delicious meal. Watch this video to learn how I made Wagyu barbecue beef ribs. You really don't need to trim up a lot. There's just a tiny piece of fat here that I'm going to take off and that's it. So I'm just taking this tiny piece of fat off. Oh, it comes off easy. That's all the trimming I'm going to do. I'm using Killer Hog's brisket rub and the Traeger garlic and chili rub, and this should be absolutely delicious. I'm using Worcester sauce as a binder because it will give a nice savory ingredients. You don't actually have to add a lot to the bottom, but let me just add some and then we can start with the top. I'm going to start off with Killer Hog's brisket rub because it's got a nice black pepper to it, and then the Traeger garlic and chili rub at the bottom. I'm going to flip this over and do the top side. I'm going to add the Worcester sauce to the top now. Not so much, just to give it a little bit of a binder. And now to add the Killer Hog's brisket rub. And then lastly the Traeger garlic and chili rub. I'm going to let the salt activate. I'm going to leave this for about 30 minutes and then it's going to go into the Traeger Ironwood 650. I'm preheating the Traeger to 120 degrees Celsius. The magic about a Traeger is there's no fire management. It really is plug and play, and this is going to cook for 4 hours at 120 degrees Celsius, and then we'll bump up the temperatures. I'm going to put it in once this is ready. I'm going to put this in thickest side to the fire stack, and we're going to let this go. We've been going for 4 hours. Let's check out how this is doing. We're at about the 6.5 hour mark. This is looking really good. We've had a little bit of a crack here, but that's okay. And I've just been spritzing it lightly with Worcester sauce and hot water, and it's gonna be delicious. Just giving it a little bit of moisture to rehydrate the skin so that we can get this bark formed really nicely. And that's it. Guys, this has been cooking for 9 hours. It's up to temperature. It's pro tender. Look how soft this meat is. It's nice and juicy. Look at all the juice coming out. This is where I've been probing it all day. And we're gonna wrap this in a little bit of tallow and we're gonna let it rest. I've got homemade beef tallow that I made a while ago. So I'm gonna start to get this wrapping ready. I'm gonna put some beef tallow in the middle here, and I'm gonna put the beef ribs on top of the tallow and then let this rest for the next 2 to 3 hours. So I'm gonna put these ribs on. They're really hot. And then I'm gonna start to wrap it. Okay, I'm going to wrap this. I'm going to let it finish off in the warmer. I've taken this out at 90 degrees Celsius. Ready temperature is 95 degrees Celsius. So I've wrapped it in foil. I've put a little bit of tallow and I'm going to put it into the warmer for it to carry over to 95, and it's going to be tender as hell. This is ready. It's time to unwrap and eat. Look how this bark has formed absolutely perfectly. It's tender, you can see it's nice and soft, but crunchy at the same time. It's time for me to cut this. Let's go. Look at all the juices. Guys, look how insane this looks. The smoke ring is absolutely there. You can see, look at this, look at the juices coming out of that. I don't even, I can imagine. It looks so good. I'm so excited to try this. Oh my word. This is dripping. Oh yes. This looks absolutely incredible. It's dripping with flavor and I'm so excited to try it. I want to just thank Protea Reserve for the meat. They're sponsoring this video. If you'd like to get in touch with us, email thefood@ThePhatGreek.com and we'll be able to sell you the meat that we're using. If you enjoyed this video, cheers everybody. Cheers. My word. That is the juiciest piece of meat I've ever eaten. I'm gonna go eat dinner with my friends. This is absolutely obscene. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching and keep on cooking, you beautiful people.